Welcome to today's video. We're about to embark on an exciting high-tech journey, from tiny seeds to lush, green heads of lettuce. This is a scientific exploration of how modern technology is transforming agriculture. Let's dive right in. The staff sanitized the seed trays with disinfectant solution and clean water. Then continue to use water-containing nutrients to moisten the foam trays used for sowing seeds. The seeds are carefully poured out from sealed containers that ensure their moisture and quality. They are gently spread evenly onto a specialized plastic sheet with precisely designed holes to hold each seed in place. Every seed nestles securely in its designated spot, waiting to germinate. This plastic sheet optimizes light distribution and retains the necessary moisture for the initial stage. This critical first step ensures that all seeds develop uniformly, setting the stage for a successful growth process. In a short time, under LED lights adjusted for optimal intensity and wavelength, the tiny seeds begin to sprout. The seedlings emerge robustly thanks to a controlled environment that regulates temperature, humidity, and water supply. From this point, the young plants start absorbing light energy and nutrients from their surroundings to fuel their growth. Smart ventilation systems ensure consistent air circulation, enabling the seedlings to breathe effectively and thrive. The delicate seedlings are moved to a cutting-edge care area equipped with LED lights, fans, and automated water spray systems. Each seedling tray is placed on a shelving system optimized for space utilization and light exposure. In this environment, the plants receive essential nutrients via a drip irrigation system. This is where the seedlings grow stronger, preparing for the next stage in their journey. Used planting trays are meticulously collected and cleaned with water and specialized soap solutions. His cleaning process not only ensures hygiene, but also eliminates any residual bacteria or debris from previous cycles, creating a pristine environment for the next batch of plants. After washing, the trays are neatly stacked on drying racks and left to air dry before being reused. A new planting cycle begins. Carefully prepared seeds are once again evenly spread across fresh trays. A transparent plastic cover is placed over the trays to retain moisture and protect the seeds from external factors during the delicate germination phase. Each step is executed with precision, supported by advanced technology and a skilled team of professionals, ensuring no mistakes. As the seedlings grow stronger, they are transferred from smaller trays to larger trays, providing more space for optimal growth. These larger trays are placed on high racks designed with LED lighting that supplies continuous illumination and fans that maintain airflow. At this stage, the plants begin to increase in size, their leaves turning vibrant green as they prepare for full maturity. Once they reach the desired size and quality, the lettuce is carefully hand-harvested by a skilled team. The fresh, crisp leaves are meticulously cut and moved to the packaging process. Each product is placed into clean and safe packaging, ready for transportation. Proper packaging not only protects the lettuce, but also ensures it retains its freshness until it reaches consumers. The packaged lettuce boxes are carefully transported using forklifts and elevators to exit the growing area. Each box is stacked neatly, ready to be shipped to stores or supermarkets. This final step in the journey ensures that these high-tech lettuce leaves make their way to you, ready to enhance your meals with freshness and quality. The journey of these high-tech lettuce leaves culminates in products that are clean, green, and safe. This showcases the power of science and technology in improving the quality of life. Thank you for joining us in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our next fascinating videos. See you next time.